This is 20 pounds of chicken worth of grease. And ash. It was skinless. The grease tray underneath was pretty empty. I'm gonna scrape this out, go to 6, and start trimming my brisket out. It's been about 40 minutes. Still haven't hit 600, and it's going down. Pretty sure I got a flame out. This is confidence building. Maybe it's starting back up. Getting smoke again. See what happens. Set you here for a while. We'll trim up this last brisket. I'm pretty sure that would have been a flame out. Temp was dropping pretty drastically. I was watching it on the app inside, but maybe I knocked some kind of auger jam loose. I don't know. Kind of a lot of smoke. I don't think it's supposed to be this smoky. We're at 220. I'm gonna open it up and wait for the heavy smoke to stop. Pretty sure I just prevented a flame out. Let me check this hopper. Hopper looked fine. I guess I should have showed you. gonna keep recording. Last time it smoked like this, it just all of a sudden flashed a big ass fireball as soon as it actually lit. See if I could catch it on camera this time. But I read that if it's smoking this much, you shouldn't close the lid. So here's the lid open until it lights. And there's the fireball. It just went whoosh. But only lit. Let it ride. Hopefully, I'm not gonna go to 600 anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and go to cook temp. Let's go 240, and I'm gonna drop it to 210 when the meat goes on. Do that hickory and then load the rest up with apple. My buddy just showed up for a bike ride. Kind of scared to leave for the bike ride, but it is what it is. I will be leaving this unattended. Alright, it's been another 20 minutes. It still hasn't got to 240. I trimmed out all my meat. I'm gonna go down to 210 and fill up my hopper with apple. I'm gonna throw this meat on. Fat caps down. My smallest weight piece of meat at 17.2 ended up needing the least trimming. So I'm gonna guess the 17.2 is heavier than the 17.8 because this is the 17.8 and it looks pretty slender. So I think I'm gonna aim for low 17s from now on instead of these 17.8s because I don't know. It doesn't look like I got 18 pounds of meat right here. This one definitely looks a little fatter. It felt a little heavier. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna hopefully this fucking thing doesn't go crazy. When I go on my bike ride, I will be back in a couple hours. 1:35. Still puffing smoke. Meat's on. It's been about 5 minutes, but I'm gonna ride my bike. Pretty confident that it'll go up. I'll be back in a couple hours. It's been about an hour and a half. Probably 20 miles away from the brisket. It is sitting at 210, holding steady.
I only went down here when we were going to other, and that's actually been down.
Yep. Hopefully it stays that way. It's about 5 hours in. I'm no longer riding my bike. Briskets are still sitting on 210. I did not stick a probe in it. 11:49. I had to force everyone to leave the bar because temp is dropping to 175. I think I'm about to have a flame out. Time to go check this thing. Damn, my boy just bought this fucking van for $500.
Dude, that's high, dude. Yo, there's already shit, dude. It's already like partially built.
Man, open it up.
My girl's at 155.
No, it's fucking.
This thing got the box.
Damn, does it run?
Yeah.
Damn.
I see it has the box inside.
155. I gotta look at this van
Can we wrap it?
and go start the grill back up because it's definitely fired out. It is 12:32. We are definitely in a fire out situation right now. The grill is grill flame out, shut down for safety. I'm gonna put some gloves on and start this back up.